An unexpected error occurred. So here is how to fix this problem. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up Facebook, and if you try to log in, sometimes there will be a pop-up telling that an unexpected error occurred and you won't be able to log into account. So that might be due to various reason. For the first thing, you need to check whether you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure your cellular data network connection is strong. For that, simply swipe down the notification panel and you can turn off the Wi-Fi and you can turn it on again. By doing that, your connection will be strong and you will be able to fix your problem. Now you can enter your credentials and log into your account easily. This is the first fix, and if you are able to solve this problem, then that's okay. But if you are still unable to fix this, then you just have to go back and you have to open up to Facebook, and you have to press and hold on Facebook application and go for app info. On the way, simply go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, also your Facebook application will be refreshed and you will be able to log into account easily. Now you can go back and check, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you are able to fix that problem, then congratulations, your problem has been fixed. But if you are still unable to fix this, then the simple thing you can do is you have to restart your mobile device. For that, press and hold on power button and you have to choose for restart option over here. And by doing that, your device will be restarted and you'll be able to refresh your device and you'll be able to fix that problem. So these are the common fixes to fix this unexpected error occurred on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to recommend any tutorial videos, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.